Hello classmates. In this era that we live in, media entertainment is a huge part of our daily lives. The most prominent example of this type of entertainment would be either Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime. So after watching all of these movies on a daily basis, there must be just one movie that stands out to you. One movie that if you watch over and over again, it doesn't cause you bother. The one movie for me would be The Dark Knight. You may think, okay, this is just another hypebeast's opinion on how he loves Batman so much. However, I think this movie is very great for many reasons, and I appreciate this movie very much. I will firstly give you a short summary on the plot, and then I will give you my reasons for why it is my favorite movie. Batman is hard at work, keeping Gotham safe, and all the criminals are very afraid of him. However, the assassination fairy, who is also Gotham's head of mob, comes along, known as the Joker, and promises to get rid of Batman and the district attorney, Harvey Dent, for a mountain full of cash. Literally, a mountain full of cash. Batman and Lieutenant Gordon are working together to rid of Gotham's mob that Joker runs, Last Money Launderer. They come very close to it, but then the Joker causes some chaos and kills a judge, blows up a hospital, executes Gordon's big witness that was going to testify against the mob, and kills Rachel Dawes, who is Batman's best friend and Harvey's girlfriend. Batman is fighting against as much of this as he can, but he begins to question how much more it would take to take the Joker down. This causes Harvey to become a villain as his girlfriend died, and whilst trying to save his girlfriend, he burned half of his face. The Joker is going on another chaotic rampage, getting ready to blow up one of two ferries. One of the ferries contains criminals, and the other one contains citizens, and they both are given detonators. One blows the other, or Joker blows both. Neither one blows up, as both groups act morally, and cannot get themselves to blow up the other ferry. The Two-Face now takes Gordon's family hostage because indirectly Gordon is responsible for the corrupt cops in the city that caused his lover to die, and Batman rushes off to go save the day once again. Batman fights Harvey and Harvey falls to his death, but Batman still can't stop word of Harvey going crazy because this will release all the prisoners that Harvey himself put in prison. The only way that this will stop from happening is someone taking responsibility for Harvey's crimes, and Batman does that. It keeps the people of Gotham safe, but comes at a cost of Batman's reputation, the one who made it all possible. Now, I love this movie for many reasons, and the first being is the conflicting morality theme that projects throughout the movie. Batman is only trying to do well for Gotham, but he has to break laws to do this. So is this good? That's up for him and us to decide. This projects throughout my life because when I have to make conflicting decisions and I'm weighing the good and the bad. Another part of the movie that I love and probably my favorite scene is with the Batmobile, because I'm very much into different types of vehicles, and a fast land tank that can maneuver in insane ways has to be one of the coolest vehicles conceptualized. So if you haven't watched this iconic movie, I suggest you get to it.